The following video shows how the 3D Circle tool of InnerSoft CAD works. This tool allows to create non-planar arcs and circles. First, we select the definition mode of the circle. We start with the mode, 3 points. Application draws the circumcircle of these 3 points in 3 dimensions. On this occasion, we define the circle by 2 points. First, select the center of the circle, and then the highest or lower point of the circle. The plane where the circle is drawn is the plane that has the center to point line as the line of maximum gradient.